Welcome. In this video, we will show you the main construction features and how to use the special measuring gauge, Metrology MAS 1560921. The application requirements consist of outer diameter measurement capability of 18.009 mm, with process tolerance of plus or minus 3 thousandths. Study of the R and R of the gauge. Free positioning of the part over its entire length, allowing measurement of the various diameters. Robust construction for fast inspection of 100% of the produced parts. Design concept. The gauge was designed with two supporting prisms for fast positioning of the workpiece. Carbide inserts have been applied to the prism faces and the measuring ring for high wear resistance in continuous use condition. Special measuring jets, with rectangular section, have been designed for measuring the narrow raceways present in the workpiece. Calibration. Associated with a Metrology M22P measurement column, the calibration and referencing process is simple. The cal key is pressed and then the measuring channel is confirmed. The minimum master setting disc is inserted into the device and confirmed. The maximum master setting disc is then inserted into the device and confirmed. Finally, the 0 key is pressed for initial diameter referencing. Measurement. After initial calibration and referencing, the measurement process is simple. The operator must rest the part on the support prism and position it at the diameter of interest. The top window of the device allows easy positioning, even in narrow part raceways. The measurement column indicates the instantaneous diameter. If the part is rotated, it is also possible to observe the run-out error present in the diameter. More information about the product line is available at www.metrolog.net.